Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Find Idea. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that many aspiring entrepreneurs often struggle with: how to find business ideas. Whether you're just starting out or looking for your next big venture, I've got some fantastic tips to help you brainstorm and discover that perfect business idea. Let's get started. 1. Identify your passions and skills. The first step in finding a great business idea is to identify your passions and skills. Think about what you love to do in your free time. What are you good at? Your hobbies, talents, and interests can all be the foundation for a successful business. Take some time to list out your skills and interests. This will give you a clearer picture of potential business ideas that you're naturally inclined towards and likely to enjoy. 2. Solve a problem. One of the best ways to come up with a business idea is to solve a problem. Look around you and identify problems or pain points that people face in their daily lives. What are some common frustrations or inconveniences? If you can find a solution to a problem, you're on the right track to creating a successful business. 3. Research trends and markets. Another great way to find business ideas is to research current trends and markets. Look at what's trending in different industries. What new technologies or services are emerging? Understanding market trends can help you spot opportunities and stay ahead of the curve. 4. Listen to feedback and suggestions. Sometimes the best business ideas come from simply listening to others. Talk to your friends, family, and even potential customers. Ask them about their needs, desires, and frustrations. Their feedback can be a goldmine of potential business ideas. 5. Explore your network and collaborate. Networking can also be a valuable source of business ideas. Attend industry events, join professional groups, and connect with like-minded individuals. Collaboration and brainstorming with others can spark creativity and lead to innovative business concepts. And there you have it. 5 effective ways to find business ideas. Identify your passions and skills, solve a problem, research trends and markets, listen to feedback and suggestions, and explore your network and collaborate. Finding the right business idea takes time and effort, but with these strategies, you'll be well on your way to discovering your next big venture. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let us know in the comments what business ideas you've come up with. See you next time.